Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and today my brother is working on his Jeep Liberty project. Thanks for joining me today. I'm at my brother's shop where we're going to be going through his 2006 Jeep Liberty. He did actually get this free of charge. He's done some work under the hood. He's got a bunch of stuff going on here. We're both building our own off-road projects. I've got my Grand Cherokee and he's got the Liberty, but we're turning both of those into some very capable off-road machines. But I'm going to go ahead and let Joel explain what he's got going on and where he's at with his project.
So when I got this thing, it did have a what would be called a lifter tick. Technically, these aren't lifters, they're lash adjusters. So I went ahead, we actually changed out all the lash adjusters, the rocker arms, ran a whole bunch of Marvel Mystery Oil through it to get the oiling system clean. The AC compressor was bad. It was leaking actually throughout all the gaskets along the AC compressor, so that's been done. The hoses have been changed. A higher output alternator was put in. A new battery was put in. And I think that does it for what I did mechanically so far. I did change the fog lights to what are called switchback bulbs. So the switchback bulbs, if you cycle them back and forth, it'll go from white to an amber color, depending on where what you're doing. Dusty environments, what have you, high reflective environments, you want an amber color. I'll also be doing that on the overhead light bar. They'll have switchback bulbs in them as well. I installed some auxiliary lighting on the inside. I actually changed out all the seats. So this is a 2006. These seats come out of a 2002. The older seats are actually better. They're more supportive. If you've ever been in one of these, you definitely find the older seats, the design is just better. It's better foam. I am putting in Dynamat as well as Reflectex throughout the interior. It's going to minimize road noise and keep it a little bit better insulated. I have a rear view mirror out of a 2000 Chevy Suburban that has compass and temperature reading right on the rear view mirror. It also auto dims. I installed an Android powered stereo. So navigation, trail cam, backup camera, all goes right through the radio. I have my Reflectex already put in. I probably will get some put along the walls. I did put in some Dynamat in different areas. I have Dynamat across the top, under the Reflectex, some Dynamat in the doors, in some of the body panels to get rid of some of the road noise and vibration. In the gap here is actually where I'm going to install a power inverter. So I do have the power cable already run in. I need to run it all the way back here and then get the power inverter mounted. All right, and I do actually have the factory gas tank skid plate installed, along with the trailer hitch. I do need to finish running the trailer hitch wiring, and really that's kind of where I'm at this point. For the overhead light bar, I do actually have all my holes already marked on here as to where I need to drill, and then I need to install the nut zerts and get this attached.
Joel, there you go. Safety third.
Safety's only third? I thought it was like 27. I may or may not do that.
How many times did you measure this, Joel? He's like, including this time?
Once?
Right. Ah,
Look, holes.
right.
Right?
Holy.
Do not try this at home.
Definitely don't recommend that.
Right.
Or do, but you know, don't get mad at us if you fucking.
Right. Right.
Fine.
Joel's like, I have 30 seconds of experience in drilling holes through the roof of a car. That's. Oh. Oh, come on. Did you already use it?
No.
Oh.
Oh, he's adjusting it.
He's adjusting his nuts.
His nuts hurt.
Well, oh, there we go. I have a battery one.
So that's fully in.
So you want to explain the tool and what it does?
It's like a riveter, but it has threads on it and crushes a nut that goes into a hole.
Yeah, they're like blind nuts. So they're basically rivets. So it's got a crush section right here with like some serrated bits that'll expand in the hole, and it'll actually crush down and give me a spot to put the bolt.
So you got these lights all bolted down then?
Yep, they're all bolted.
Very good.
Gotta pass the wire through.
Okay.
I threw a little,
Do the-
yeah, I threw a little bit of silicone down.
Okay. And then that's the grommet.
And that's the grommet. This goes here. That locks down.
Okay.
All right, grommet's in place down there.
Then I gotta test
Yep,
the lights before you put the plastic cover over.
yep.
Basically strip the ends and touch it to the battery.
That's exactly what I'm gonna do.
Oh. There you go.
I think I gave myself way more than enough. Like, I'll
Stand up here.
Make wires.
I'll give myself 15 feet of wire, because, yeah.
15 feet of wire. I'm gonna drop the hood down a little bit.
Hi. All right.
Yellow. I feel like those need to be pointed down more. Maybe.
Yeah, probably a little bit. Two inner ones are a little bit different of a color. That's okay.
Yeah, slightly.
Okay, it looks right.
Yeah. So I kind of. It's your end one.
There we go.
Then it goes. Push it forward and then pull it back. While pushing down, because that'll kind of lock it into place.
All right, so Joel's got those lights on. He's got that all finished up. Obviously, a lot more work to do on the Liberty project. So we'll be back, see what he gets done on this. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to thank you for watching The Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and I'll see you next time.